Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2020 Ford Edge 2.0 Ecoboost. Right now I'm doing the oil change. Now for the bottom cover, it's all 7mm, so you're gonna take out the bottom cover, and then the drain bolts right here. It's a 15mm. Ooh, dirty. And here's the filter. That's the part number if you want the Ford oil filter. There you go, let it drain out. Now everything is completely drained out. My new filter here, I put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. Wipe the spot. There you go. Just hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. And for the drain bolt, finger tighten. And 15. So this is tight, just snug it a little bit. There you go, that's it. Wipe the spot, put the cover back. For the Ford, it takes 530. Now this one's a 2.0. I'm gonna put in 530. I'm gonna put in 5 quarts and then I'm gonna check it. Now I put in 5.5. This thing takes exactly 5.5. Show you. There you go. Come on, focus. Focus the camera. There you go. You can see it's right on the high mark. So this is perfect right there. Right on the high mark. So right now I have the key on. I'm gonna go down to setting. Vehicle oil life right there. You can see. And then it says 17%. I'm gonna hold OK. There you go. That's it. Let go. Turn off the car, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just an oil change, oil light reset. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But don't mind, I'm out. Peace.